How are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you, have you ever noticed your phone get extremely hot while playing game? You're using an Android device or an iPhone. Overheating can lead to FPS drop, lag battery drain and reduce overall performance. Today we are testing cooling accessory that claim to solve that problem. This is the anti-stand phone cooler, and in this video we will find out if it can actually keep your phone cool during gaming or not. Let's get started. So this is product. As you can see guys, you can get some specifications, some other details of this product in the box. So let's quickly unbox this. So I will keep my phone aside. So this is the product box. Open the box. In the box you can get anti-stand phone cooler and one USB cable. Okay, the design and build quality of this product is compact and lightweight. Okay, for the power you just need to connect this, and another end you can connect to your charging adapter on your PC laptop. If you have type C to type C cable directly, you can use it in your phone power cable. So I am using iPhone, so I don't have type C port in my iPhone, so that's why I have purchased this simple adapter, lightning to normal USB. So just simply connect this, or you can, if you have Android phone, you can directly purchase USB type C to type C cable and simply connect this USB cable to your adapter like this. So as you can see guys, the cooler was instantly turned on. Now let's test the game. We are attaching the cooler to the phone like this. Simply need to attach this, and then you can play your favorite game. With a cooler, the back of your phone becomes noticeable warm after extended gameplay. The area around the cooler feels significantly very cool during the long gaming session. So many gamer ask, can a phone cooler increase FPS? The answer is not directly yes. However, by helping reduce temperature, a cooler may reduce thermal throttling. That means your phone can potentially maintain stable performance for long gaming period. If you regularly play mobile game and experience overheating issue, this cooler can be useful accessories for you. So that's for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.